In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Drive online, and we'll make it easy for you to follow along step by step. Whether you're on your computer at work, home, or perhaps even a public library, logging into Google Drive is quite simple, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to open any internet browser you prefer. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you have installed on your computer. The key here is making sure you have a reliable internet connection to smoothly navigate these steps. Once your browser is open, type in the URL bar at the top of the page, drive.google.com, and hit enter. This address will lead you directly to the Google Drive homepage, where all the magic truly begins. Now, when the page has loaded, you should see a button that says Go to Google Drive. Clicking this will guide you to the sign-in page. If you're not immediately taken to this option, don't worry, it can occasionally look a bit different due to updates, but the Go to Google Drive option should be there in plain sight. Next, it's time to enter your Google account email at the prompt. This is generally the email you use for all things Google, such as your name at gmail.com. It forms the backbone of your Google Drive login, ensuring all your files stay tied to your specific account. After entering your email, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure this is entered correctly, keeping an eye out for any little typographical errors. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Next. And with that simple action, you're now logged into Google Drive. You should immediately see your Drive dashboard. This is where all your files and folders reside in storage. You can readily create, access, share, and manage documents as needed, all from this one location. Now, a useful tip I'd like to share, especially for those juggling multiple Google accounts, look up at the top right of your screen where you'll notice your profile picture or icon. Clicking on that gives you the power to switch between accounts seamlessly without logging out and back in. This feature can be a considerable time saver, especially if you're collaborating on various projects across different Google accounts. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to logging into Google Drive online. With these steps, you're all set to dive into your documents, spreadsheets, and more, thus enhancing productivity and keeping all your work easily accessible. Thank you for joining me today, and happy driving through your digital files.